great.
You're doing great. Why? What great things have you been doing?
I went to school.
Yeah? What fun things did you do at school?
I play with my friends.
Very nice. Did you play a fun game or just talk? What did you do?
Or just play.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you had fun with your friends. Did you do anything else exciting?
Nope.
No great science projects or good books or
Nope.
fun games at the park?
Nope, there's no science class and it's not recess every day.
Well, I know, but you usually have lots of fun doing different things. I never know what you're going to be doing. All right, well, maybe this class will be amazing, okay? Are you ready for class today, Ivanka?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. Very good, very good. All right, wait, no good drawings? You haven't drawn anything fun today? You're always doing amazing art. You didn't do any art today?
Wait, where did I put it? Never mind. I drew a picture of my friend.
Oh, you drew a picture of your friend? Okay.
And I made a diary.
Oh, let me see. See, I knew you were doing something fun. You're always doing fun things.
And this is a
wow.
season thingy. And the black dot is a butterfly. Don't think that's a black dot. That's spring, that's summer, that's autumn or fall, and this is winter. And this is the character, and the character can wear accessories around it.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. So you can move it throughout the diary?
Yeah.
That is so cool. What a fun little book you made. I'm so impressed. That's really exciting. Now, how did you make the little stickers that you can move around?
Oh, the stickers are easy. You just put a layer of tape around this on the piece of paper, cut the shape out, and then put a two-side tape on the bottom.
Oh, very smart girl. I like it. And you made little accessories to go with them too?
Yes.
Nice. Wait, are they accessories for the different holidays? I mean, the different seasons?
Yeah.
Like a hat or a swimsuit?
No, there's a hat there's a cap for spring. A pair of sunglasses for summer.
Nice.
A jacket for autumn, and a hat, a coat, some boots, and
wow. All kinds of things, right?
And stuff for winter.
Wow, I'm really impressed. I think you're such an amazing artist. Good job, Ivanka. Very creative too. I love it. Good job. I love that you made it so you could move the character all around your book. That's really awesome. You know what? That's a good idea for a coloring book. Do you mind if I borrow your idea for my next coloring book?
Oh, yeah, okay, sure.
Why, thank you, my dear. Why, thank you. All right, Miss Ivanka, are you ready for our class today?
Yep.
Yes. All right, here we go. Class load. There we go.
Bye.
All right.
You just
So we have been talking. Yes, the cameras are not working so good in the classroom right now. So every time I move you on stage and then back again, it turns your camera off. So I have to refresh to get your camera to work again. It's kind of crazy. But thank you for your patience. All right, here we go. We have been talking a lot about plants and all of their parts. Do you remember which part of the plant gets food for the plant? Which part of the plant gets food from the sun? Do you remember? Do you remember? Or makes food from the sun? It's green, if that's a good hint. Yes, yes, yes. The leaves do. The leaves do. Very good. Very good. All right. Excellent job. Excellent job. So let's jump to where we were. We had talked about the different parts of a plant, like these, right? We had been talking about flowers, leaves, stems, roots. So I believe we left off with roots, okay?
Okay.
So, can you read this about the roots?
These structures help plants get what they need to survive. Plants need water. They take it water with their roots. Roots are structures that take in water to hold the plant in place. Some plants, such as carrots and radishes, have one thick root called taproot.
Taproot.
Taproot. Others have a web of thinner roots. Roots may grow deep in the soil to find water far underground. They may spread wide to take in water from a large area. Roots also take nutrients. Nutrients are substances that help living things grow and stay healthy. They are part of soil. When roots take in water, they also take in nutrients. Some roots have the job of storing food for a plant. These roots can be good for people too. Carrots, radishes, and sweet potatoes are roots that you can eat.
Very good reading. Excellent job. Excellent job. Okay, let's take a look at some roots, okay? All right, here we go. Let's look at these roots. Let's see, which one should we start with? Let's start with our carrot. These tap with a P, tap, tap, tap roots, okay? So it has a main primary root, which would be like our carrot, okay? And then it has all these secondary roots and tertiary roots, these little tiny roots that come off of it, okay? All right, and then of course down here we have our root tip and then little teeny tiny roots called root hairs, okay?
Yeah, it's like a hair of the root.
Now at the grocery store, our carrots look all smooth and pretty, right? But when they're actually growing in the ground, they have a lot more going on that we can't see, all of these roots, okay? All right. Taproot. Okay, next kind of root. Ready, go.
What?
Ooh, this is a fibrous root. A fibrous root. And this is what a lot of plants have, okay? So it has all these little guys coming off of it and going every direction. Do you want to hear a Do you want to hear a cool root fact?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. All right. So, a tree. How big are a tree's roots? What do you think? Any guesses?
1,000 meters.
Whoa. Okay. So, a tree's roots go out twice as far as the tree is tall. Okay?
Wow.
So let's pretend our tree is 20 feet tall,
Happy tree.
which is a big tree, right? A big tree.
A very
So
big
if,
tree.
right? So if, hold on, let me draw some dirt down here. So if we have a tree that is 20 foot tall, then how big would its root system be? What do you think? Remember our math? The roots are 2 times the height.
40 feet.
So this is the height.
It's 40 feet.
Yes, that's right. That's right. So we would have, let's see, let me do it this way. So we would have 20 feet plus 20 feet, right? So that's how far out most tree roots go, especially big giant trees, right? That's a lot of roots. But
Wow.
why? Why does it need so many roots? Why? What do the roots do? Do you remember what we just read?
They collect water.
They collect water. That's right. And this is a big tree, so it needs lots and lots and lots of water.
Soil
Right?
water.
Do you want to hear something else really cool about tree roots?
Yes.
All right. So if you have another tree growing right here, what's happening with its roots? Its roots are kind of intermingling with this other guy's roots, right?
Oh, like it's tangled.
Yeah, kind of. And did you know the trees can actually communicate?
What?
Yeah, they can. If you look it up, you can look it up on the internet if you want to, or in a book. But they can communicate with each other about the water and different things like that through the roots. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought that when I learned that, I thought that was really, really cool. That our trees actually help each other. That's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, that is pretty awesome.
Wait, Miss Ivanka, are you asking me to marry you, or are the trees asking each other to marry each other?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I was like, now Ivanka, I am your teacher. We cannot get married. Okay. All right, here we go, sweetheart. You're doing awesome. Okay, so we talked about tap roots, right? And we talked about fibrous roots. Look at this kind of root. This is so cool.
Ooh.
Whoa, look at these roots. They actually grow up out of the dirt. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
So an orchid, if you've ever seen an orchid, their roots are in the air. Wow, and they get water through the air.
Huh?
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
Pretty cool, right? So next time you're looking at plants and you're out walking around in the park and stuff, kind of keep an eye out. See what kind of roots they're using, okay? All right, here we go. Let's keep reading. So we just read about roots, okay? So tell me, I have some questions. Right here, it says roots are structures Let's see. Ooh, that the roots help them hold the plant where it's supposed to be. What does that mean? It helps hold the plant where it's supposed to be.
That
What?
means it will and this way the trees won't sing, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Yes, that's right. They do. They hold.
You're frozen. Again.
My classroom's having such a hard time today. Okay, so yes, the roots actually hold it in place, and that's why they gave us a picture of the wind here, right? The roots keep the plant from flying away
And singing,
in the wind.
I believe I can fly.
Whoa, right, yeah, there you go. Very smart girl, very smart girl. All right, now nutrients. Can you tell me more about nutrients?
Nutrients are substances that help living things grow and stay healthy. They are part of soil. When roots take in water, they also take in nutrients. This plant has
No, I meant your own words. We've already read that. I know that. But what are your own words? What are nutrients?
Nutrients are like vitamin C.
Yeah, vitamins and minerals. Yes. That's right. Very good. Ooh, and all of these vitamins and minerals are in the soil, right? But
Yeah.
where do they come from? Is there like a nutrient fairy out there just throwing nutrients?
What?
Throwing vitamins and minerals around in the forest?
What?
No.
No.
They
come from plants.
When? How? What? Where? What?
I think they come from medicine or plants.
Well, remember the life cycle. The life cycle of a plant is what? It grows and then it dies. Right? And when it decays, where does it go?
It becomes nutrients.
Back into. Da-da-da! You just figured it out. Good job. That's right. So when the plant dies, it decays.
I believe.
And it becomes nutrients.
I believe.
Yeah.
Touch the sky.
So the plant's own life cycle actually is what puts nutrients back in the soil for the next round of plants that grow. You are so smart. Good job. That's right. All right, my very smart dear. What can you tell me about stems?
I can tell you that stems are thicker than roots.
Okay, yes, that's true. What else do you know? Are stems the part that smell really good and have petals? Is that a stem?
Smell.
What's a stem?
A stem is like the middle part of a plant.
Yes, that's right. Of course. It's the standing up part, right? It's the part that holds the plant up. Yeah, very smart girl. That's right. I was just being funny. All right, here we go. Can you read for me about stems?
Okay. A stem is a structure that holds up a plant. Leaves attached to it. The stems hold leaves upright so they can get sunlight. The stem also carries water, nutrients, and food throughout the plant. Water and nutrients flow up from the roots through tubes in the stem. Food flows from the leaves through our other tubes. Not all stems are alike. Stems can be soft and green, like tulip stems. They can be hard and woody, like tree trunks. A trunk is a tree stem.
Ah, very good, very good. Now, wait. I have a question. What is a tube? It kept saying tube over and over. What's a tube?
Like tubes are like things that, like, for example, a water hose has a tube.
Exactly. So it has an empty space on the inside, like a water hose or a, what's this red thing?
It's a blue ice drink with a red straw. Goodbye.
Like a water hose or a tube or a straw, right? It pulls that water up through the roots and into the stem and then into the parts of the plant that need it. Very good. Very good. You're so smart. All right. So let's look at a picture. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's look at some tubes. Okay, ready, go. So again, we have the water absorbed by the roots, right? Then it goes up through the tubes of the plant and then up to the leaves and the flowers and the different parts of the plant, the fruit, maybe. And then where does the water go? Shwink. The water goes out, right?
Oh.
Or the plant can go this way, right? And when it rains, it can get water going this way. So the tubes actually go both directions based on whatever the plant needs for the day. Okay? Pretty amazing. Wait. Do we have tubes? Do we have tubes inside of us? What do you think? Oh, what are they called? Do you know? Any ideas?
Blood cells.
Well, we have veins and we have arteries, right? Inside of us. Yeah, and our veins and arteries, yes, carry our blood. Yeah. So we have tubes too. Pretty cool, right?
Very big tubes.
They're pretty amazing. All right, let's look at some stems. Are you ready? Okay, this is an aerial stem. What does aerial mean?
I don't know.
It's in the air. It's in the air. Okay?
Like stems in the air.
And look at these. Look at these. These are subaerial. So some of it's in the air and some of it's really close to the ground. Okay? Do you see how these little guys kind of run right next to the ground? Pretty cool, right? Lots of different kinds of stems. Ooh, and here's the underground stems on these plants. Pretty amazing, different kinds of stems and roots in the world, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so let's talk before we go really quickly. Would you like to do an experiment for your homework?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. This is our experiment. Can you read it?
Observe stems. Get a stalk of celery with leaves on it. Carefully cut 2 inches of the bottom. Be careful. Half fill a plastic jar with water. Then add 5 drops of food coloring to the water. Mix the water with a spoon, not mix the spoon. You can't mix spoons. Observe. Place the celery into the jar. Observe the celery stalk a few times throughout the day. What do you notice? Communicate. How has your celery stalk changed? Draw a picture. Write a description. Infer. What does stems do?
Now, you can do this experiment at home, but ask Mom and Dad first, okay? And if you want to, you can use a flower if you want to, or you can use a celery stalk. So do you have any flowers at home, or maybe celery at home?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think will happen? What is your hypothesis of what will happen to the celery stalk? What is your best guess?
They will. Let me think. They will. They will drown. Right?
Okay, that is one hypothesis. That is one idea of what might happen. I don't know that they would really want us to do an experiment to murder the celery. Maybe, what if your water is purple? What will happen to the celery stalk as the water is absorbed up into the plant? What will happen?
I am purple. They will be purple.
So do you think that the celery stalk will stay green, or do you think it might turn purple?
I think it might turn purple.
It might. I'm not going to give you the answer. If you want to do this experiment, we'll find out, okay? But ask Mom and Dad first, okay? All right, so what do you think? Are you going to try it or no? Do you think you might try it? Yeah. And you know what? If you use a flower, like a fresh flower, you'll see even more magical things happen. But it's a secret. I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, no, okay? I know what you mean. Like, it will if there's a white flower, it will turn, and then you add blue food coloring, it will turn blue.
Ooh, is that your hypothesis of what will happen?
Yeah.
Well, I cannot wait to see what happens to your celery or your flower, okay? I'm excited to see what happens with your experiment. All right, my dear, you have done an excellent job today, of course. Thank you so much for learning about flowers and plants with me, okay?
Okay, see you next time.
I'll see you next time.